What a great match we have here to start off this night, guys.
And Michael, I had to check twice when I saw this match listed as our opener. I mean, it could very well have been our main event.
This night.
I don't know. Part of me hoped Saxton would have got lost on the way to the announce table. That definitely would have made things better. But no such luck.
Start the night off and with this one.
I can't think of a better match to kick the night off, Michael. In fact, we haven't even gotten started yet, and I can assure you that this will be a tough match to follow.
Escorpion Morodo, Wolf, on the way to the ring. At a combined weight of 406 pounds, Escorpion Morodo and Wolf. Escorpion Morodo, Wolf, and their opponents. At a combined weight of 410 pounds, they are the Tag Team Champions, Wesley Barker and Flynn Barker.
Don't change that dial. Both legal men are in the ring and set to start things off here. We're ready to go.
Man,
all the budding tag teams out there hoping to one day make it to the big stage better be watching this match with a notepad in hand, because you can bet this is going to be a lesson in how it's done.
Look at this. And the champ kicks out.
Oh, wow.
Nailed it. He's got the shoulders down. And the champ kicks out.
Might have slipped there, Cole.
Back between the ropes. Boom!
A lot of people are saying the champion has never...
This could be all she wrote. Is he done? Whoa, he works his way out.
A bit of a Houdini job right there.
What a stomp. Good grief. As Byron was talking earlier about the champ being a heavy favorite here tonight, I couldn't help but think back to the night Santino Morado defeated Umaga for the Intercontinental Championship in 2007. I don't think there was a person alive who thought Santino had even a sliver of hope.
Yeah, including Santino himself. But hey, as the old saying goes, anything can happen in the WWE.
What impact.
Oh, man!
You gotta believe this one's over. Tag.
Uh-oh, sets him up. Powerbomb planted.
Vicious knee.
Hooked up and
Backdrop suplex. What a stomp. Good grief.
beautiful technique.
The challenger's taking on some offense. This tag team match can get out of hand quickly if he doesn't mount an offense soon.
Sure, he's taking some punishment here, but given how much he prefers to be on the outside of the ring, he can very well change the outlook of the match with one shot.
I know it's early, but he has to do everything in his power not to let this get out of hand.
In off the tag.
Focused attack on the big boy. He is rolling.
Stop! Leg snap!
That's gonna hurt. Tear your hamstring.
Knee drop!
That was nasty. So precise.
The challenger not in a great place. His hopes of winning this tag team match are starting to dwindle.
He's not looking good, and at this point, he has no option but to make it to his corner and get his partner in there.
He has to be disappointed in this performance. He really is so much better than what he's so far tonight. Oh, boy, he is
Champion into the cover. Hey, kick out. This one's not over yet.
Still too fresh.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Great job escaping, trying to turn this thing around.
Not looking good for the champ here. He's a true champion. I suspect he has plenty of fight left in him.
It looks to me like he's really trying to carry this team on his back, which really isn't necessary considering he has a very capable partner he could tag in here.
It looks to me like he took his foot off the gas there for a moment. When that happens, you run the risk of letting your opponent back into the match.
Eludes that one. And there's his speed paying off. Avoids trouble there.
Oh, boy, he is rolling. Oh. Super kick! Wow, I'm just as surprised as you guys are.
Boom, what impact. Whoa, down he goes.
That was impressive, Cole.
He's looking at it.
This might be it. Oh, my.
And there it is, boys.
Here's the pin, title on the line. Go. Setting it up. Brain buster. Nailed it. Here, oh, nasty impact.
I knew it was only a matter of time.
You can't argue with the results.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
He's fighting back here.
I expected nothing less, Cole. Harsh impact.
Oh, man, backbreaker. Quickly into the cover with the title on the line.
New champion, new champion.
True testament to grit.
How'd he do that?
Back in the ring now. This might be it.
Oh, my.
When this guy's on, look out. Face breaker. Oh, man. The champ to the top turnbuckle.
I think we know what this is.
What a frog splash.
This one's over, guys.
Here's the pin, title on the line. And he stops the count. Release back suplex.
Challenger's starting to falter. At this point, it might be cliche, but it's true here. It ain't over till it's over.
Beautiful technique.
This one is over.
Here's the pin, title on the line. Goodness, that hurt the shoulder.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
That'll hinder your modeling career. Tag Team Championship up for grabs. Which team wants it more? He wants no part of the outside. He's making a statement here with this attack. Nasty drop.
Some people are questioning how this superstar got such a favorable spot in this week's power rankings. But not to me. It seems perfectly logical.
No, reverses it.
The tag team scene here in WWE is undergoing a bit of a renaissance, and it's because of action like this.
There it is. The tag has been made.
Oh, he needed that in the worst way, Michael.
Gets the tag. He gets it with a reversal. Uh-oh. Here we go. Here we go.
Slam with authority.
He's in the driver's seat now.
This could be it.
You gotta believe this one's over. That has gotta be it.
His shoulders are down.
Now that's an impressive tag team victory.
Now let's get another look at some of the high points of that one.
Who could forget this? He ain't playing here. Man, this was great. No doubt about it, he brought his A game, as you can see here. And if that match is any indication of what to expect here tonight, we are in for an amazing evening.
And the crowd here tonight still in awe over that great